The federal government is linking your credit scores to your NIN. Now, if you're one of those people who has taken loan, you know the way you can register a line, get a loan from a loan app, and download, get the money, and then you will now pay, and you drop the line. I think this is amazing. If they're able to pull this off, where there's actually a consequence of taking a loan and not paying back, people will be more responsible, and it will strengthen the financial markets. Because a lot of the reason why the interest rates are so high, apart from the fact that yes, central bank has taken up the benchmark rates and all, one of the reasons why rates are so high is because there's no trust. People cannot be held responsible if they choose not to pay. There's a limit to what you can do. And we have also seen that there's the extreme part where some people go very crude, and we don't want that as a society. So there must be structural consequences to a loan default. There must be things like, in other climes, they will check your credit score to rent an apartment to you. That's how important it is. So I hope they're able to pull this off, because it would strengthen the microfinance banks. It will strengthen that low level, like high impact credits. When I say high impact, somebody that just needs 100K to grow their business, right? But because the risk level is so high, they're charging them so high. But once you know that the person can be found, that there are things like you can't go to a public school without NIN. If your credit score, your parents' credit score is not good, you won't have access to this. Those are the things that we need to do. Or once they do those kind of things, people begin to behave themselves. And that's where I hope we're able to go, because you see, a lot of the things that we see that are not in place is lack of financing. And so once people can get financing cheaper, things will just begin to change, and you'll be shocked.